Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we are looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on August 18, 2025, just yesterday. The Big Hook is a feed-forward system that turns a single image into a full 4D scene, delivering dynamic point clouds and novel view videos without slow optimization or multi-frame inputs. The paper is titled 4DNX, Feed-Forward 4D Generative Modeling Made Easy. And as we will see later, the results are really impressive. In short, the method fine-tunes a pre-trained video diffusion model, introduces a unified 6-dimensional RGB+XYZ video format, and brings a large pseudo 4D dataset for training. Also, the authors shared the code on GitHub. You'll find a concise README outlining 4DNX, author list, TLDR, and abstract, plus citation info and a teaser video reference. The repo shows recent commits but no releases or packages yet, and it currently lists minimal files centered around the README. Alright, here's the teaser figure. It starts with a single image on the left, then shows the model producing a 6-dimensional video where each frame pairs color and 3-dimensional coordinates. Building on that, the Sintra visualization turns those coordinates into a dynamic point cloud that captures moving geometry. Moving to the right, the pipeline renders novel view videos demonstrating consistent motion and structure from new camera angles. The flow makes the promise concrete: single image in, coherent dynamics and geometry out. Next up is a visualization of the 4DNX 10 million dataset. The montage shows diverse scene types, from indoor rooms to outdoor landscapes, plus far enclosed views, high-speed motion, and static setups. At the center, a word cloud highlights frequent concepts like person and room. Surrounding examples pair images with tiny camera icons and colored axes, indicating recovered camera paths and 4D point clouds that verify geometric precision. Okay, this diagram walks through the full pipeline. Starting at left, the first color image and an initialized XYZ map go through a frozen VAE encoder, then get fused by widthwise concatenation. Moving across, the fused latent is combined with noise and a guided mask, then processed by the LoRA-tuned WAN-DT blocks to jointly predict color and XYZ videos. Building on that, the bottom row highlights XYZ initialization and normalization tokens, and the rightmost block shows the light post optimization that recovers camera and depth. Moving to the user study table, it summarizes head-to-head preferences across consistency, dynamics, and aesthetics. First, focus on the overall grid to see the 4 pairwise comparisons. Looking across rows, evaluators favor our method over free 4D, with small margins on consistency and dynamics, and near parity on aesthetics. Against 4Real, preferences are strong across all 3 axes. The gap widens further versus Animate 124 and GenXD, where aesthetics hits 100% preference. Building on the user study results, the core message is clear. Single image to 4D is now practical and fast. 2 takeaways stand out. The unified 6-dimensional RGB+XYZ video representation unlocks strong geometry, and lightweight fine-tuning of a large video diffusion backbone delivers efficiency and quality. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.